Hello, welcome to Jeongbin Study Room. Today, we will implement a 3D viewer for a tetrahedron using code. In one of my videos, I talked about the RS configuration method and vectors. I used vectors to determine the R and S configurations of stereoisomers, and as an example, I showed a tetrahedron. Today, I'm going to show you how to implement the tetrahedron we used at that time using Python code. This is a Python code for creating a web application that generates a 3D plot using Dash and Plotly, and adds tools to draw on the plot. Shall we take a closer look? First step, import the Dash and Plotly libraries. Second step, initialize the Dash app object. Third step, defines the vertices, labels, and edges of a tetrahedron. Fourth step, create a Plotly 3D plot. This is how you define the layout of a 3D plot. Fifth step, define the layout of a Dash app. In this step, you will define the layout of the Dash app and add a graph component to display a 3D plot. Here, the config attribute will be used to enable drawing tools. Now, let's go ahead and run the Dash app. Shall we check if the code is being implemented? This code creates a simple interactive web application using Dash and Plotly to create a 3D plot and provide users with the ability to draw their desired images. How was it? Through a simple code, we can draw the images we want and easily integrate it with other theories. Isn't this the reason why we learn to code? If you're curious about more details, please visit Jeongbin Study Room. I'll be waiting for you in Jeongbin Study Room.